12th Avenue South and South Jackson will be another intersection that should be high up on the priority list for all crosswalk signal lights. That cars turning the same time, elderly patrons should not have to run to get across. Just like mayhem with the drivers. I'll wait for another signal light change to see got a very large number of small shops and restaurants. I'm glad I think it was New York or something. Shops on every corner of the intersection here. More new buildings are recently opened, more are under construction. There's going to be just a great deal more traffic through here. Like apartment and condo buildings. In fact, I believe this whole corner there is coming down for a large apartment building. There's another one nearing completion there, just one block up north of Jackson, west side of 12. This pedestrian should not have to be walking while cars, trucks, and buses are coming up behind them on the same pavement at the exact same time the pedestrians have the walk signal lights. The walk signal lights are also timed really short. I've seen elderly people who can't get across in the short number of seconds that they allow. Or when it says walk. So here these people are walking. Any drivers wanting to turn right can do it at the same time. Thankfully none were turning right then. I do like the blue and white kind of artified walk areas. I don't know if they've actually made any difference in terms of collisions or not. Bird's got the right idea. Stay above the traffic. Except they gotta come down and eat. That's when they get hit. That was too close for comfort. One more minute here. traffic light of place. Fair number of seniors in it. Alright, that's enough for now. It's a very early afternoon on Friday, May 31st, 2019. In addition to all walk cross, no turn on red from each of the four directions of this intersection would be really helpful in lessening vehicular, pedestrian, and or vehicular bicycle collisions. And it won't happen unless the citizenry press the city council and mayor for it.